It's time to cook with Susan Beck, and I'm cooking today at the Boscobel Farmers Market. Everything today is red, white, and blue. Put a chunk of feta on each of these. And a blueberry on top. And then we're gonna make a little balsamic glaze to go over that. Vinegar has just been kind of simmering away. Stir it once in a while. All right, so then I'm just gonna take a little drizzle balsamic over top. Put a little basil leaf in each of those. You know, I think they look kind of fancy, but they're really Flatbread pizza, and that pizza is going to get its red from the raspberries that are going to be a raspberry compote, which is our sauce across the bottom, and then we're going to be using some chicken and some brie, which will give it the white color, and some blueberries. So we're going to do that on a flatbread. Let's cook up our chicken. That will be part of the flatbread toppings. Bread of our red, white, and blue pizza. Blueberries on. On the top. And I forgot I was going to put some thyme in there. I'm going to put the lid on that for just a minute or two. In our sugar rimmed glass. This is very, very heavy, very, very dense. It has lots of sugar. In fact, it's pretty much pure sugar. Put our ice cubes in. I suggest putting your grenadine in first, then the ice. Next is going to go in our creamer. This is a vanilla creamer. Here's another important thing. Pour over the back of a spoon. So I'm going to pour in my white layer. Using that spoon again. Pour in my blue layer. Gatorade, it's a Gatorade Zero, so there's no sugar in that level. Thus it's lighter weight and it stays on the top.